In today's video, we will be installing VirtualBox version 7.1.0. So the minimum requirements for installing VirtualBox 7.1.0 are x86 hardware with any Intel or AMD processor. For memory, we need at least 512 MB of RAM, but recommended is 2 GB. So coming to hard disk, we need at least 30 MB space for installing this VirtualBox software. But if you are planning to load virtual machines, then you will need more space than that. I would recommend to have at least 10 to 20 GB space for this. And for supported operating systems, VirtualBox supports wide range of operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Solaris, and various Linux distributions. Okay, now we are on the virtualbox.org website. We need to click on the download button and then we need to select our operating system. I am on Windows, so I am going to click on Windows. Once the installer file is downloaded, we need to open it. Now we have the VirtualBox 7.1.0 installer setup. Click next. I am going to install it on the default location, but if you want, you can change it. Click next. Now there is a warning for network interfaces. I am going to say yes. Now it is asking whether we want to install missing dependencies or not. I am going to say yes. Now we have an option to select from these options. These are shortcuts, startup menu entries, and register file associations. I am going to select all of them and click next. Finally, we have install button. I am going to click install. Now the installation is complete. I am going to click this button and make sure that it is checked so that we can see whether we have installed it successfully or not. I am going to click finish. Okay, so we have now successfully installed VirtualBox. There is one more thing that you can install on top of VirtualBox, that is VirtualBox Extension pack. This is not mandatory, but I highly recommend that you install it if you want features like better USB device support, disk encryption, remote desktop access. I am going to install that now. Click on the accept and download button. Click on the downloaded file. Now click on the install button. Scroll down and click on I agree button. That's it. Now you have VirtualBox and VirtualBox Extension pack installed.